Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is AJTV, kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. Panibagong araw na naman, panibagong kalaman ang ating matututunan. Ano pang inaantay natin? Simulan na natin to. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, pag-aaral natin kung paano nga ba isi-simplify ang isang absolute equation. Like for example, meron tayong diyang example na absolute value of a minus 3 is equal to 4 or a minus 3 is equal to negative 4 or absolute value of a minus 3 is equal to negative 4. So palagi po silang partners, dalawa, isang positive at isang negative para makuha natin yung solution set niya. So paano nga ba ito kukunin? Una, kunin natin ang absolute value nito, a minus 3. At ang absolute value ng a minus 3 is simply a minus 3. Or sa madaling salita, tinanggal lang natin yung absolute value, which is equal to 4. So now, natanggal ang absolute value, madali na nating matatanggal yan by means of transposition or the addition property of equality or subtraction property of equality, kung saan kukunin na natin ang opposite sign nito para maiwan natin si a dito. So that will be a is equal to 4. So since ito ay negative, magiging positive siya, plus 3. And then the value of a here is equal to 7. On the other hand, dito naman tayo sa absolute value of a minus 3 is equal to negative 4. Same procedure. So matatanggal si absolute value. A minus 3 is equal to negative 4. And then a is equal to, so si negative 4, yung negative 3 kanina ay magiging positive. So plus 3. So that will be a is equal to negative 1. At ang ating solution set ay 7, negative 1. Ayan. So that is for first example. Let's proceed with another example. So we have the absolute value of b plus 7 is equal to 2. Siyempre, kung may positive tayo, meron tayong negative, which is the absolute value of b plus 7 is equal to negative 2. Same as example number 1. First, tanggalin natin ang absolute value. So b plus 7, which is equal to 2. Ayan. So to get the value of b, kailangan natin kunin ang opposite ni positive 7 para siya ay makancel. So that will be negative. So b is equal to 2. So opposite ni positive 7 is negative 7. And then, simplify lang natin. So 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Ayan. And for this one, so magiging b plus 7, which is equal to negative 2. So just like what we did in this example, so gagawin din natin yon. So b is equal to negative 2. And since ito ay positive, ang kabaliktaran niya ay negative. And then, proceed tayo sa laws of integers. So same sign, add, and then copy the sign. So since pare silang negative, negative yung sign, and then add the number. And that will be negative 9. So the solution set for this one is negative 5, negative 9. So that will be the answer for this example. Okay, so let's proceed with another example. So we have absolute value of 2x plus 5, which is equals to 5. Absolute value of 2x plus 7, which is equals to 5. And then, syempre, kung meron tayong positive, meron tayong negative. So, which is the absolute value of 2x plus 7 is equal to negative 5. So, this is just the same with the first two examples. So, ang kaibahan lamang ay nagkaroon po tayo ng numerical coefficient sa ating x. Pero, ang procedure ay same pa rin. First, tanggalin natin si absolute value. So, it will become 2x plus 7, which is equal to 5. And then, proceed po tayo sa ginagawa natin. tanggalin natin itong positive 7 para maiwan yung variable nating x. So, 2x which is equal to 5. And then, ang opposite ni positive 7 ay negative 7, which is equal to 2x equals 5 minus 7 is negative 2. So, kanina, yan yung final answer natin. But since meron tayong numerical coefficient dito, kailangan natin siyang cancelin. At para makancel natin yon, we need to divide both sides by positive 2. Ayan, divide natin sa positive 2, both sides. Okay. So, x will become negative 1. So, negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Next, dito tayo sa opposite side. So, same pa rin. 2x plus 7. But instead of 5, it will become negative 5. Okay. So, now, iwan ulit natin si 2x. So, 2x is equal to negative 5. Ang opposite ni positive 7 ay negative 7. Okay. So, 2x will be equal to, so since same sign sila, i-add natin and then copying sign. So, that will be negative 12. And kagaya lang nitong kanina dito, since may numerical coefficient, we need to eliminate the numerical coefficient. And to do that, we need to divide both sides by positive 2, which is yung numerical coefficient ni x. And then, divide natin itong nasa right side. So, negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 6. So, therefore, ang solution set para sa isang ito ay negative 1, negative 6. Okay. So, let's proceed with another example. So, we have 6 times the absolute value of 2x plus 3 is equal to 30. So, syempre, kagaya kanina, since may positive tayo, may negative din tayo. 6 times the absolute value of 2x plus 3 which is equal to negative 30. So, same lang din naman ang gagawin natin kanina. Kaya nga lamang, nagkaroon tayo ng number outside the absolute value. And to do that, kailangan nating i-divide both sides by the number outside the absolute value, which is 6. Ayan. So, gawin natin sa dalawang example na yan. Okay. Ayan. So, since ito ay dinivide natin sa 6, matatanggal na ngayon ang 6 and then matitira ay ang absolute value of 2x plus 3. So, take note of that. Hindi pa po natin tatanggalin si absolute value kasi ang natanggal lang naman yung number outside ng absolute value. And then, divide natin. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So, sa kabila naman, so same lang din. Matatanggal si 6 and then matitira si absolute value of 2x plus 3 which is equal to negative 5 naman dito sa side na ito. Okay. So, ngayon, proceed na ulit tayo. Matatanggal si absolute value. Magiging 2x plus 3 equals 5. And then, eliminate natin si 3 dito sa left side. Kunin lang natin ang opposite na sign ng positive 3, which is equal to negative 3. Ayan. So, now, 2x is equal to what? So, 5 minus 3 is 2. And since we still have numerical coefficient, we need to divide both sides by 2. Since ang numerical coefficient ay 2. And then, simplify natin. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, sa kabila naman, same procedure. So, 2x plus 3 will be equal to negative 5. And then, eliminate natin si positive 3. So, magiging 2x is equal to negative 5 minus 3. And then, 2x is equal to negative 8. So, same sign kasi sila. Kaya i-add natin. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then, copy the sign, which is negative. So, since meron pa tayong numerical coefficient, tatanggalin natin yan. Divide both sides by 2. Okay. And then the value of x here is equal to negative 4. So, anong solution set natin? So, that is 1, negative 4. Ayan. Okay, so let's proceed with another example. Let's say we have 4 plus the absolute value of 2x plus 3, which is equal to 17. And then, syempre, kung may positive 17, may negative 17 tayo. So, just like the previous example, so ang kaibahan lamang, ito ay naging addition instead of multiplication. So, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. So, may iwan si absolute value of 2x plus 3 dito sa kabilang side. And then, kunin lang natin yung opposite side ni positive 4, which is negative 4. Ayan. So, ganun din dito sa kabila. So, absolute value of 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 17. And then, ang opposite ni positive 4 ay negative 4. Ayan. So, ngayon, sagutan natin. So, what is the absolute value of 2x plus 3? That is 2x plus 3. And then, what is 17 minus 4? That is 13. Okay, iwan natin si positive 2x sa kabila. And then, so 13, ang opposite ni positive 13 ay negative 3. Ni positive 3 ay negative 3. So, 2x is equal to 13 minus 3 is 10. And then, since may numerical coefficient na 2, divide both sides by 2. Okay, and then the value of x will be equal to 5. So, take note lamang po. So, ang pagdi-divide po, hindi always sa 2 yan. Nagkataon lamang po na sa ating mga example, ang numerical coefficient ay 2. But it could be any number. So, tatandaan lamang po natin, to eradicate or eliminate yung numerical coefficient, i-divide nyo sa both sides kung ano man yung numerical coefficient na yun. So, dito kasi sa example natin, 2 siya, kaya sa 2 natin siya dinidivide. Pero kung yan ay 3, sa 3 din natin siya i-divide. So, ganoon po siya. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa kabila. So, 2x plus 3 is equal to same sign, that will be addition. So, 21 and then copy yung sign na negative. Okay, may iwan ulit dito si 2x which is equal to negative 21. Opposite ni positive 3 ay negative 3. Okay, 2x equals, so same sign ulit, add natin, 21 plus 3, that will be 24. And since may numerical coefficient pang 2, divide both sides by 2. And then the value of x here ay negative 12. So, ang ating solution set ay 5 and negative 12. Okay, so for our next example, so dito naging fraction siya, pero same pa rin ng procedure. Una, kailangan nating ma-eradicate or ma-eliminate yung number outside the absolute value. So, divide natin pareha sa 2 or simply, divide na lang natin sa 2 si 8 or multiply natin sa 1/2 para matanggal si 2. So, maiiwan dito si absolute value of x over 3 which is equal to 8 divided by 4 is 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, dito rin, absolute value of x over 3 which is equal to negative 4 naman since negative si 8. Okay, next, tanggalin natin si absolute value. So, x over 3 which is equal to 4. Ayan. So, para matanggal natin yung 3, we need to multiply both sides by 3. Ayan, tanggal na si 3. So, x is equal to 3 times 4 ay 12. And then, sa kabila, same din, x over 3, which is equal to negative 4. And then, multiply both sides by 3 para matanggal natin si denominator. So, x is equal to negative 12. Ayan. So, ang ating solution set ay 12 and negative 12. Okay, so that's all for today. Sana po yung marami po tayo natutunan sa araw na ito. Muli, this is AJ TV. kung saan ating pag-aaralan at pag-uusapan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like at i-share na rin ang channel na ito. Hanggang dito lamang po, hanggang sa muli. Paalam!